Hello everyone, I'm here at the Peterborough Drive Test Center and I will be showing you route number 2 for the G2 test at the new location. When you come here, please make sure that you're parking your car in one of the designated parking spaces. Each parking space has a number. Please make sure that you know the number of your parking space. It is recommended that you park your car in reverse. Once you park your car, then you will have to go inside the drive test center. There are designated kiosks for scheduled drive tests. You'll have to enter your driver's license number and your appointment will pop up. Once your appointment pops up, you click on it, and then once you click on it, it will take you to the next screen. When you go to the next screen, the kiosk will ask you a couple of questions. Question number 1 is if you are wearing any eyeglasses. So if you're wearing any eyeglasses, please make sure you have them on you. If you don't, it's okay. Second question is if you have any medical condition. If you do, it's not recommended that you would do your road test. If you don't, so you can put no for that. And the next screen will be about your vehicle information. So make sure that you're entering your vehicle information, the make of your vehicle, if it's Honda, Toyota, whatever it is. The license plate number, the color of your vehicle, and the parking space number where you parked your car at. Once you do that, the kiosk will give you a number. You grab the number, a ticket, and you grab the ticket. You come back to your car, wait in your car for the examiner. While you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, make sure your seat belt is on, and the examiner will come. When the examiner comes, please make sure you start the car. Practice starting on and off the car a few times before your road test. Roll down your window. The examiner will come from the left side, will ask for your driver's license. You present your driver's license, and then the examiner will ask for your full name, your date of birth. You say that, and then the examiner will ask you to beep the horn, and then the examiner will go to the front of the car, will ask you for the right signal, then left signal, and then the examiner will go to the back of your car and will ask you for the right signal, left signal, and then we'll ask you to step on the brake a couple of times on and off, and then the examiner will come sit beside you in the seat and will read some stuff from their iPad, and you will have to sign it, and then we'll give you the direction. So in here, they will ask you to go left. Make sure you put your car in drive, and then so have your signal on, do a good 360 degrees check all around, and then go nice and slowly, look both left, right, and then nice and smoothly you come out to the left, and then you'll have to do mirror signal blind spot to the right, and then you're going to turn right here. So when you turn right, again, there's another right, mirror signal blind spot to the right. You're going to turn right here, and then again another right here. So mirror signal blind spot to the right. Please make sure you're coming to a complete stop here. Check for any pedestrian or any cars from the left side. So just be patient, do not rush. There are a lot of cars coming, so I will wait. There are pedestrians as well, so I'm waiting for the pedestrians and any cars from the left side. When there's no cars and no pedestrian, then I can proceed. So I'm going to proceed a little bit, move forward. Okay, no cars from the left. I'm going to make a right turn here and continue on this lane. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour, and continue on this lane. So route number 2, they will usually take you to the old routes where the old location of Peterborough was. They will take you there, but continue on this lane, and then they will ask you to change lane after. Any intersection that is coming your way, just look left, right, and continue at 50 speed limit. They might ask you to change lane here, so mirror signal blind spot to the left, and then you can change your lane to the left. And once your 4 tires are inside the lane, you will turn off your signal and continue on this lane. Again, any intersection that is coming your way, just make sure that you're looking left, right. Okay, the traffic light might turn red, but it didn't. Just look left, right, and continue on this. Upcoming traffic light, you will be asked to make a left turn. So we will be making a left turn. Right from here, just look right, left, and do mirror signal blind spot to the left, and you can get into the center lane. If there are any cars coming, just be patient, do not rush, and just stay on this lane for the left turn. Continue on this lane, and when you're stopping behind another car, please make sure that you're maintaining a good space. far enough where you can see the tires and a little bit of the ground of the car in front of you. So this is called stopping distance. So I'm waiting here for the red light. At this on the parkway, they will ask you to go left here. So we will be going left, and we will continue on that. So the speed limit on this road was 50, and when I'm turning left, the speed limit will change to 60 there. So please make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit there as well. And while you're waiting for the red light, please make sure you're checking left, right, and you're checking your mirrors. There is an advanced green light, so I'm gonna see if I can catch the arrow. If I can't, so still look left, right. Yes, I can look left, right, and turn left into the first lane closest to you. So you will turn left here, you go about 15-20 meters, and then change your lane back to right, mirror, signal, blind spot, and then look ahead for 2 to 3 seconds, and then change your lane to right, because you should always be driving on the right lane. The speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour. Please make sure that you are staying at 60 kilometers per hour here. Do not exceed the speed limit, or do not go too slow unless there is a lot of traffic. So continue. You'll be asked to change your lane to left, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and I'm gonna go left here. Okay, once your 4 wheels are in, you turn off the signal. So at the upcoming traffic light, you will be asked to go left. So I will be turning left there. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left where the broken line starts. I'm gonna get in. It's a red traffic light. I will be waiting for waiting here for the red light. So come to a complete stop here. There are 4 lights there. I might get an advanced green light. If I get the arrow, I will go straight ahead. If I don't get the arrow, if it's only green light, I will go to the middle of the intersection, and I'll make that a little S shape. So, okay, I got an arrow, look left, right, and turn left here. Just like this. Continue on this road. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. So do not exceed the speed limit, just making sure that you're looking left, right. If there are any driveways, any intersections, please make sure that you're checking. So the speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour here, and continue driving on this lane. This is the old route for the drive test center, Peterborough, the old location. It's the same route, and they're using the same streets for route number 2. Sometimes some examiners, they will bring you here. So when you get to this point, you will be asked to go right. Please make sure you're checking your rear view mirror, you're signaling to the right, you're checking your blind spot, and you're gonna get in here. So, and I will be making a right turn here. So I'm gonna turn right, lower your speed a little bit, and turn right here. So the speed limit here is still 50, but it will be changing to 40 soon. So until here, it's still 50, but as you guys can see, there's a school sign, and the 40 speed limit begins. So I'm gonna drop my speed to 40, and the speed limit here is 40. So please make sure you're not exceeding the speed limit. And there's a school zone here. It's okay to be at 38, 39, but please do not drive at 41 even, because there's a school zone, and make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit here. So they will bring you straight here. Any of these streets, they can ask you to turn left at. So, and then after here, the speed limit changes to 30. So please make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit here. The speed limit is 30 here, and I will continue driving. So if you're asked to turn left, right, left there, you could do that too earlier. Or if not, they will ask you to continue here, and then they will ask you to turn left further there. There's a stop sign, but we're not reaching the stop sign. You might not reach the stop sign. And before that, there's a street. I will be turning left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. And there's this street where usually they will bring you this way. And I'm going to turn left here, go halfway in, and then turn left here. So I'm turning left, and then you might be asked to turn left again here on this street. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. These are the streets that they will bring you into. So turn left here and continue. So a little bit curvy road here. So I'm going to check my blind spot, lower your speed. And in here, they might ask you to do uphill, downhill. So I'm going to do a downhill parking, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm going to pull over and do a downhill parking for you guys. So come to a complete stop, turn your wheels all the way to the right, and park your car, pull your handbrake. That's a downhill parking. Now then you'll be asked to go, so pull down your handbrake, put your car in drive, straighten up your wheels, and then mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Make sure there's no car coming, and then you can leave. And continue here. Keep going. Any cars parked on the street, please make sure you're maintaining a good 1 meter space, and keep going this way. So on this street, you might be asked to turn left. So I'm going to do mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and I will be turning left here. Just like this, go halfway in and turn left. Just like this. These are the streets. The streets may change here and there, but these are the streets where they're going to bring you. So look right if there's any street coming your way. And you might be asked to do a parallel park. I'm going to do a parallel park with that van for you guys. Look left, right. And okay, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I'm gonna do a parallel park for you guys. So come to a complete stop here, just like this. Put your car in reverse, turn your wheels all the way to the right. Do a good 360 degrees check, make sure nobody is around, and then you're gonna keep going. Okay, just this much, and then turn your wheels all the way to the left. Keep on looking left, right, keep the signal to the right, and go all the way just like this. And that's a parallel park. And park your car and pull your handbrake. So once you're done, then please make sure you're putting your car in reverse. When they ask you to go, signal to the left, look back, reverse until you see the bumper of that car. Once you see that, then mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and then check, make sure no cars coming, and then you're gonna come out just like that. Okay, you might be asked to go left here. So again, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. There's a stop sign, one-way stop sign. I'm going to come to a complete stop. Look left, right. No pedestrian, creep up and look for both sides. There's a car coming. I'm going to wait for that car. When that car is gone, then I will go. Okay, go all the way halfway and then turn left. Just like this, and then continue on this road. Any of these streets they will bring you to. Just make sure that you know your uphill, downhill, 3-point turn, parallel park. They might ask you to do an emergency stop as well, or roadside stop. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, pull over, come to a complete stop. If they ask you for roadside stop or emergency stop, come to a complete stop. Make sure your hazard lights are on. You park your car and you pull your handbrake. Once you're done, you pull down your handbrake, put the car in drive, check your mirror, turn off your hazard lights, mirror, signal, blind spot, and then you're coming out. That's it. So, and there's a stop sign. They will ask you to go right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I will be coming to a complete stop. It's a one-way stop sign. I'm coming to a complete stop here. Mirror, left, center, right, left again. I'm creeping up, looking for left. Any cars, no cars, and I'm good to go. And then continue back on this street. The speed limit again here is 40 kilometers per hour. Maintain a good speed limit. Look left, right, any streets that are coming your way, and keep driving. So it's a school zone area, guys. Please do not exceed your speed limit. Stay at 40 speed limit and keep going. Okay, after here, the speed limit is going to change to 50. Just make sure you're looking left, right, and the speed limit is 50 here. So get back to 50 and continue on this lane, and you will be asked to turn right. Look right, left, and there is a yield sign. Please make sure that you're checking for any cars on the left side. When there's no cars, you can just go ahead. But if there are any cars coming, guys, please make sure you're not moving. So wait for the cars to go and then you go. Always give right of way because there's a yield sign. Continue here. There's a red light. I will be coming to a complete stop here. Stay behind the car where you can see the tires and a little bit of the ground. Any intersection, look left, right, both sides, and continue. Just like that. There is a little bit of curvy road here. So once you get here, please make sure you lower your speed to 20 to 30. Check a quick blind spot and continue here. A little bit of curvy road here. And there is a mall on the right side here. Please make sure that you're checking for any cars that may pull out without checking their left side. or right side, so please make sure you're watching for that. Continue, stay on the right side here. There's another lane that's adding to a left turn. Do not get into that because this one is going into the plaza. Just stay on the right side here, and after this traffic light, then the next traffic light, we will be turning left to go back to the drive test center. So again, it's a red light. I'm waiting for the red light. So guys, if you like this video, if you think this was helpful, and if you have learned something from it, please make sure that you are subscribing to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you're liking this video, share it with your friends and families. You're not losing anything. Just, you know, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm sure it will help you. It will help others as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments section, and I'll be more than happy to answer you if you have any questions about your G2 test. So we're going to move left, right, and continue. Next traffic light, you will be asked to go left. So I'm going to do mirror signal blind spot to the left, and I'm going to get in where the broken line starts. I'm going to get in here, just like this. Continue here. And if it's just a green light, go halfway in and wait here. Just wait here for any oncoming traffic and pedestrian on the left. Nothing there. I can make my left turn. And as soon as you turn left, you will be asked to change lane to right. So mirror signal blind spot to the right. I'm going to come back, and then you'll be turning right again. Mirror signal blind spot again to the right, and you will be coming back to the drive test center, and you will be asked to park in one of the spots here. So mirror signal blind spot, and I'm going to park my car here. And once you park your car, the examiner will tell you whether you pass or fail. Make sure you park your car. If they tell you that you passed, you'll grab the ticket, go inside the drive test center, wait for your turn. They will call your number.